Everyone grab a balloon, grab a balloon. If you don't have one, hurry up, get it blowing up, because the Joy House dance party is about to start. Let's go, blow, blow, blow. Come on, parents, blow up a balloon for your kid. Just blow, blow, blow. One more time, blow, blow, blow. Now tie it up. Now let's go. So are you ready?
Are you ready?
Yeah. Who's ready? Me. Are you ready? So are you all ready to practice? Let's go, go, go. Now tap it, tap it, tap it, tap it. Tap, keep trying, kids. Tap it, tap it, tap it, tap it. Here we go, everyone. Listen to direction. Tap it.